So in this video, I'm not only going to show you my mom's famous spaghetti recipe, but I'm also going to show you how to make any spaghetti sauce taste 10 times better, so stay tuned. So at first, go ahead and start slicing up whatever veggies you want to use on your spaghetti. For this one, we're just using mushrooms, but you could also use onions if you want to. So for my mom's spaghetti recipe, she likes using the sweet Italian turkey sausage, and she'll actually take the meat out of the casing and then put it into the pan before we cook it. And then here's just some of the ingredients you're gonna need for your sauce. I'll put the ingredients down in the video description so you guys can check them out. But yeah, so far we got the water boiling and the sausage cooking. And we also have some Texas toast we're gonna use too. So now that the meat is almost pretty much cooked, we're gonna go ahead and add the sauce. And remember how I told you we're gonna make the sauce taste 10 times better? This is what you do. Go ahead and add a half a cup of brown sugar to 1 jar of spaghetti sauce. Give that a shot, trust me. It makes the sauce taste 10 times better. My mom will usually add also 1 tablespoon of whole Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of whole oregano, and just a little sprinkle of garlic salt too. And if you want, you can add a little bit of minced garlic too. So I'm here with my mom here, who this is her famous recipe. So Mom, what were you saying about the
Well, the recipe that you just followed now on the video was just your standard basic recipe and the seasoning. But usually about this time, I do start test tasting, and maybe I want to adjust and add a little bit more sweetness or a little bit more salt flavor to it. And so at this point, I would just add a little bit more preference depending on what everybody wants. If they want it a little bit more stronger on a sweetness side or more the salty side, you can adjust those ingredients that we just added.
So yeah, we're to the point now where we're gonna add the pasta to the water, to the boiling water. And then I forgot to mention too that we did saute the mushrooms in a little pan on the stove. So we're gonna put those on top of the spaghetti. So yeah, go ahead and add those mushrooms on top, add the cheese, make yourself a nice little salad, and you'll have a nice little spaghetti dinner for yourself. But yeah, I just wanna show you my mom's recipe. We'll see you next video.